Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, kami dari kelompok 5 ingin menjelaskan tentang passive voice, di mana yang pertama akan dijelaskan oleh Saudari Arul.
Passive voice. A. Definition of passive voice. Passive voice is a form of sentence where the subject of the sentence takes action, not takes action. Any active voice which focus on the party doing the action.
The passive voice formula. To form a passive sentence, the following simple formula is usually used but still has to be adjusted to the tense of the sentence. Subject plus to be, am or is or are plus past participle. Simple present, rumusnya am or is or are plus pp, contohnya is created. Present continuous, rumusnya am or is or are being plus pp, contohnya is being created. Simple past, rumusnya was or were plus pp, contohnya was created. Past continuous, rumusnya was or were being plus pp, contohnya was being created. Present perfect, rumusnya has or have been plus pp, contohnya has been created. Past perfect, rumusnya had been plus pp, contohnya had been created. Simple future, rumusnya will be plus pp, contohnya will be created. Future continuous, rumusnya am or is or are going to be plus is pp, contohnya going to be created. Future perfect, rumusnya will have been plus pp, contohnya will have been created. The use of passive sentence with perfect continuous tense is usually rarely done because it results in a sentence structure that is too complicated. The use of passive sentence with perfect continuous tense is usually rarely done because it results in a sentence structure that is too complicated and difficult to understand. Therefore, this should be avoided even if it is grammatically correct.
Usage and example of passive voice. Passive voice is generally used in the following situation. A. Ketika pelaku aksi, door of action, my money has been stolen, tidak diketahui. Dalam contoh passive voice ini, pembicara tidak mengetahui siapa yang mencuri dompetnya. B. Ketika pelaku aksi, door of action, wheat is grown in Karawang, sudah jelas dan tidak perlu. Dalam contoh ini, sudah sangat jelas bahwa disebutkan petani adalah pelaku aksi atau orang yang menanam gandum. C. Ketika tidak ingin mistakes were made, memberitahukan siapa pelaku aksi. Dalam contoh ini, pembicara tidak mau door of action memberitahu siapa yang melakukan kesalahan. D. Ketika pelaku aksi, door of action, Transjakarta is used as an alternative means of adalah semua orang, people in transportation to avoid traffic jam. General. Dalam contoh ini, pelaku aksi adalah semua orang karena Transjakarta dapat digunakan oleh masyarakat luas. E. Ketika pelaku aksi telah Mr. Han caught Ari cheating on the test, Ari disebutkan pada kalimat was given punishment immediately. Sebelumnya, apabila terdapat di dalam contoh passive voice ini, Mr. Han sebagai pelaku aksi sudah disebutkan sebelumnya sehingga tidak perlu ditambahkan pada kalimat kedua. Itu saja yang dapat saya jelaskan. Terima kasih.
D. Actor in passive voice. In some condition of use of the passive voice, the by phrase is not used for several reasons and noted above. However, we can actually exclude the perpetrator of the action if the information is very important or under the following condition. A. Ketika terdapat informasi baru, bottled water comes from mountain water. Kalimat kedua, it is produced by water company. B. Ketika mengetahui nama jelas pelaku Siti Nurbaya were written by Marah Raisoli. Aksi atau pelaku aksi adalah orang terkenal. C. Ketika identitas pelaku aksi sangat, it is hard to believe this beautiful just mengejutkan atau tidak dikira-kira. Melody was composed by an 8-year-old.
Passive voice with get. The word get can also be used in passive sentence to replace to be is, are. Usually, passive sentence with the word get are used in formal conversation. Just like when using to be is, are, the get form use must also be adjusted to the tense of sentence. Selanjutnya, ini adalah rumus untuk mencari passive voice with get. Rumusnya adalah subject plus to be plus past participle. Ini kalau mau mencari simple present. Rumusnya adalah get or gets plus past participle. Contoh passive voice-nya get treat. Selanjutnya, kalau mau mencari present continuous, rumus passive voice-nya adalah is, are. Getting plus past participle. Contoh kalimatnya is getting treat. Selanjutnya, kalau mau mencari simple past, rumus passive voice-nya got plus past participle. Contoh kalimatnya adalah got treat. Selanjutnya, kalau mau mencari past continuous, rumus passive voice-nya adalah was or were getting plus past participle. Contoh kalimatnya adalah was getting treat. Selanjutnya, kalau mau mencari present perfect, rumus passive voice-nya adalah has or have gotten plus past participle. Contoh kalimat passive voice-nya has gotten treat. Selanjutnya, kalau mau mencari past perfect, rumus passive voice-nya adalah had gotten plus past participle. Contoh kalimatnya had gotten treat. Selanjutnya, kalau kita mau mencari passive voice-nya simple future, rumusnya adalah will get plus past participle. Contoh kalimatnya will get treat. Selanjutnya, kalau mau mencari future continuous, rumusnya adalah is, are going to get plus past participle. Contoh kalimatnya is going to get treat. Yang terakhir, future perfect. Rumus passive voice-nya adalah will have gotten plus past participle. Contoh passive voice-nya adalah will have gotten treat. Demikian penjelasan ringkas mengenai passive voice dalam bahasa Inggris. Perlu diingat bahwa kalimat passive ini dianggap lebih formal daripada kalimat aktif. Oleh karena itu, kalimat pasif pada umumnya digunakan dalam penulisan seperti penulisan ilmiah, laporan teknisi, dan artikel koran. Dan digunakan pada percakapan sehari-hari. Sekian, dan jangan digunakan pada percakapan sehari-hari. Sekian dari kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.